Hiroo Onoda, born in 1922, joined the Imperial Japanese Army at the age of 18, having been trained as an intelligence officer in guerrilla warfare and intelligence gathering. On December 26, 1944, Onoda was sent to the island of Lubang in the Philippines to prevent enemy attacks, with orders not to surrender or die by his own hand. In 1945, Allied troops captured Lubang, but Onoda and 3 others escaped to the mountains, where they waged a guerrilla war. Unaware of Japan's surrender, they consider leaflets and postcards to be enemy propaganda, continuing their resistance. Private Yuichi Akatsu deserts in 1949, leading to increased paranoia among the remaining soldiers. Leaflets and search parties try to convince him to surrender, but the group remains convinced of enemy treachery. A firefight in 1953 results in the death of Corporal Soichi Shimada. Onoda and Private First Class Kenshichi Kozuka continue their campaign of terror until Kozuka is killed in 1972. In 1974, Japanese explorer Norio Suzuki finds Onoda in the mountains, dressed in a tattered military uniform. Despite Suzuki's efforts, Onoda refuses to give up until he hears from his former commander, Major Yoshimi Taniguchi. Major Taniguchi personally carries out Onoda's orders. Onoda salutes the Japanese flag and surrenders his weapons. Onoda receives an official pardon from the Philippine government, returns to Japan in 1974, and becomes a celebrity. Hiroo Onoda died peacefully in 2010 at the age of 91.